This is the fastest rising program. This program is on the steepest ascent in the United States of America. They have got gobs of money. They are in DFW, which is a top 6-7 market in the United States. And it's a team that's coming off of a college football playoff appearance in its first year in a Power 4 conference.
They haven't had this much excitement around SMU since the Penny Express, and it's legit sleep on SMU.
This is the new reality that 5 or 6 schools are going to have to be facing a real major player in the DFW area for every blue chipper, and there's a lot of them that come out of this area.
Trying to motivate the city, put it together. Cut out hate, it's time to get some cheddar. Hard work, pay out, get it in any weather. I know this